welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. We're going to be talking about a holiday gift guide for her. Now, I gave you guys a little bit of a sneak peek on my holiday gift guide when I did do kind of an in-depth, like how to create a custom palette with Unhidden Beauty. So we're going to get into all of the holiday gifts for her. If you guys like unfiltered makeup opinions and honest reviews, subscribe and let's get into this video. So we're talking about it's not just beauty. I gotta get that out there first. These are gifts that are not just beauty related, but they are great gifts for her. If you guys want to see a gift guide for him, leave me a comment down below and let's talk about some of these gifts. The first one on my list would be a manicure set, and not just any manicure set. I'm talking about a gel manicure set. I have a gel manicure set that I bought from Amazon a couple of years ago. At the time it was priced at about $100, but now you can actually find these gel manicure sets for even less of a price point. There's actually one listed at Ulta right now that is a $35 price point, and it's a one-step manicure. It's a gel manicure. So when I say gel manicure, I'm talking like your girl went to the salon, she got a gel manicure. These last between a week and 2 weeks, and you have to actually soak them off to be able to get the gel manicure off. But what girl doesn't love being pampered at home, getting a gel manicure? I know I love doing it. I love to sit back at the end of the night after I put the kids to bed. I put on my guilty pleasure show and I do my nails. Speaking of, like, this is the other like beauty thing on my gift guide list. There's only a couple of things on here, and then the rest of them are more lifestyle. So the next one would be, like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, an Unhidden Beauty custom makeup palette. Custom makeup in general is like one of those, you put a lot of thought into it, you name it, you design it, you create the color stories. So there's really great brands out there that do custom collaborations, custom palettes, custom lip products. One of the brands that I love to use for my custom eyeshadow palettes would be Unhidden Beauty. They have such a great platform, a very easy editor. You can choose from an 8, a 12, or a 20 pan palette. You can create the cover. You can customize all of the shades in the palette, and they have really great affordable options, and their formula is amazing. They have duochromes, they have glitters, they have matte shades. Their glitter formula is very resembling of the Tati Beauty Texture Neutrals Volume 1. So if you guys are looking for like a really good glitter formula, you guys need to try Unhidden Beauty because it's really good. Another like beauty product for her that is very like sit back, relax, let's drink some vino, let's watch my guilty pleasure show. I would highly recommend like hand, foot, and face masks. These are like my favorite things to do when I'm not doing my nails. But I love to sit, and I love using the peel foot masks. I love using the moisturizing foot masks, and literally all you do is put your foot into a boot and you sit there for 20 minutes and then you rinse it off and your feet are magic. They're so soft. And then those foot peeling masks, like if you are the type of person who gets really dry feet, if you walk around barefoot a lot, then those foot peeling masks are amazing for just like completely exfoliating and getting rid of like all the crusties. But then they also have sheet masks that you can put on your face, and these are just great like moisturizing masks, especially in the winter time. You put it on, it has little eye holes, and like it just completely moisturizes your face, and they're so nice to use. And then sometimes I use the extra product and put it on my hands. There are hand masks that you can also purchase, and those are really nice, especially during the winter time. And it's just nice to be able to like sit back, relax, have a little bit of like a spa at home and enjoy and create a routine out of it. They're out of all of the beauty products, I think those are the most affordable. And then you can't go wrong. You can just, there's so many masks out there that you can choose from. This is like lifestyle, but it's also kind of beauty related as well. But if you are buying for her and she does a lot of traveling, if she is somebody who is constantly on the go, then the Ally Glines makeup bag is like a amazing gift idea. I love my Ally Glines makeup bag. I have the full one with the 2 little bags, my medium-sized bag, and then my full one. You can fit hair care. You can fit a full-size palette in there, and we're talking like jumbo 30-pan ColourPop sizes. You can fit your deodorant, you can fit your skincare, you can fit your makeup. This is literally like a little custom suitcase just for all of her beauty products. And I am a coffee person, I'm a tea person, and I need my coffee to be hot. Like if I make my coffee in the morning and I forget about it, like sometimes I'm just like, I wish it didn't get cold because like I need it to stay hot. And then on the opposite side, like I don't want it melting all over the place if I make myself an iced coffee. And I discovered the thermos. It's literally, the brand is Thermos, and it keeps your liquids hot or cold for up to 16 hours. So literally you could pour yourself a cup of coffee, and if you don't drink it all day and at the end of your workday, it's still warm. Isn't that nuts? Like, it is so good. They usually retail between $20 and $30 for a thermos. They are some of the best thermoses. They're very travel friendly. They fit into your little cup holder in your car. They don't take a lot of room on your desk. You can buy the 16-ounce ones, and that's just like the perfect cup of coffee. It keeps it hot. It keeps it cold. I love my thermos. Like, they are perfect. Perfect Christmas gifts, especially if it's somebody who likes a tea or a coffee. It's literally like so good. I do have another beauty thing, but it's actually a hair thing, and I wanted to bring up the Launch Lip Sync wand. Now, if she really likes to curl her hair, the Lip Sync wand is amazing. I actually did like a tutorial on my channel with the Lip Sync wand and the Bumble and Bumble heat shield, and I love the Lip Sync wand because it comes with 5 different curl pattern options. So it comes with 5 different curl pattern options. It comes with obviously the wand. It's really easy to turn on and use. You can set the temperature to whatever temperature you want it to be. When it's off, it actually says off on it. It doesn't like it literally will say off on the wand. It's really easy to transition between 2 different wands here. You just unlock it and pull up. And it's locked in enough that like it's not going to fall out randomly, but literally that's how easy it is. So this is what it looks like all folded up. Just magnets in here. You can actually wrap the cord and put it in the elastic bit right here. It's literally like the perfect little curling iron to be able to just like transport with you wherever you go. It's very like travel friendly. I love my Lip Sync. It's like one of my favorites when I do actually use, you know, product on my hair. So she's sitting down, she's done her nails, she's got her mask on. What better to do that in than a cute robe? It can either be one of those like fluffy robes that she can wear right out of the shower where it is a terry cloth robe, or it can be like a fleece robe. But a bathrobe in general is so relaxing on so many levels. I know on those days when I'm not feeling the greatest, I like to throw on my robe. I have my yoga pants on or my leggings, and it's so comfortable and so relaxing. Or right when I get out of the shower, I put my cute little slippers on, I put my robe on, and I'm like, I'm good to go. Cute Christmas sweaters. And this seems like a really generic thing to say, you know, going along with the whole bathrobe thing. Like, you can find a cute Christmas sweater at a number of retailers. One of my favorite places to look would have to be Target. Target has some beautiful like cardigans, and I love their actual like Christmas sweaters in general. This sweater I actually got from Shein, and it is green, and it's a stocking knit pattern, and you can't really see it, but it's like one of my favorites. The sleeves do like plume out a little bit, and it's super comfy. It's super warm. This one is like a Christmas green, and it's like one of my favorites. So like a Christmas sweater. One of my other favorite Christmas sweaters comes from the Wrangler store, and it's blue and it's got eyelets in it. It's so pretty. You can't go wrong with a really beautiful Christmas sweater. You can wear it at Christmas time, you can wear it during the winter, and then when those months start to transition over from like snow to like spring, I love me a good like cardigan sweater, especially from Target. If you have pets or kids, this is like for her. This is for her. I love my robot vacuum so much. Now I have an LG vacuum. It does have a couple of different modes on it, so you can actually press the vacuum. It does a zigzag pattern, it does a swirl pattern, it does a square pattern, and then when it's on carpet it has a turbo mode, so it goes really, really fast, and it has another mode that it like downgrades to when it's on more of a hardwood floor. And I love my robot vacuum because it is really easy to just turn on at the end of the night, and you let it just kind of go around the room, and it picks up the little fluffies if you have a pet. It picks up the random debris. Now you do have to obviously empty it every single time that you use it. At the end of the night, if you have a lot of like debris, if you have a pet, if you have kids, because like my kids, they like tend to spill random stuff, but the robot vacuum will go around and it'll vacuum for you. And it's really nice because it does a light sweep, and it's like a maintenance thing every single day so that you don't get behind on your vacuuming. Now there are different vacuums depending on what you're looking for. Some of them will actually map out your entire room for you, so you can turn it on and it won't run into certain things. It won't go over the stairs because it has a sensor for it, and it won't vacuum around certain things. So like it knows like if your TV is in a certain spot, it maps that out. It knows that if like the dog kennel is in a certain spot, it maps that out. So it's a really great tool. And then last on my list of holiday gift guide would be jewelry from Ana Luisa. And the reason why I'm pointing out Ana Luisa in general, and this is not sponsored in any way, I did stumble upon Ana Luisa from Kelly Gooch, who is also on YouTube. I've mentioned her in some of my videos, but Ana Luisa offers sustainable jewelry pieces that are very affordable. They tend to upcycle their metal materials a good portion of the time, and if they don't, then it's ethically sourced. And then they also ethically source and transparently source any of the jewels that go into their jewelry product. So I actually have some studs that I purchased from Ana Luisa. I have a moon stud, and then I have this one right here, which is a white opal. Now these are real gold, and they actually started carrying like silver jewelry as well. And what I really like about it is the fact that I have really sensitive ears to different types of metals, so I have to be really, really picky about what kind of jewelry I put in my ears. And Ana Luisa, because it is real, because it is sustainable, I love that they have the concept of upcycling and recycling metals, and they also, you know, ethically source their jewels. They have some really beautiful, dainty, pretty pieces. There are some affordable pieces in like their sales section. During the holidays, they have a great like buy one, get one 50%. They have jewelry that ranges from earrings to necklaces to rings to bracelets, and they have them in a gold variety, and they also started having them in a silver variety. But I really like their sales section, so definitely check out Ana Luisa in general if you want to purchase like sustainable jewelry. All right, y'all, there is my holiday gift guide for her. If you want to see a holiday gift guide for him, leave me a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope I get to see you in my next video. Bye.